Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to hack FlipDiven. So I've just installed it again to make sure it still works and everything. So yeah, let's get into it. So I'm just going to show you quickly that it's really true and it does work. So if I just die like this, I won't tuck or anything. Oh, I've got a black flop as well. It just gives me 5k instantly. You can spin and everything. So it's really good if you're you want to play FlipDiven a lot. So I'm just gonna go to the website real quick. And the link will be in the description below. See you guys in a sec. Hey guys, I'm just going to search the website now. That's the website. Just searching it now. It'll take you to AdFly. Just wait 5 seconds real quick. Then you want to download again, like that. And it'll take you to this website. And then you want to press the really small download button here. And then once it's downloaded, you will get something up in here, this area, or just pull down, and then you install it, and then you're all ready to go. I haven't tried this out on Apple or iOS even, because I'm an Android person. I only use Android because personally I don't really think iOS are very good. And once you've installed and everything, you'll come to this. You have to do all the tutorial and everything again, and then you start flipping, and then just die a few times. That's what I do, and then you get loads of money. So don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and peace.